Hey! How we doing, guys? Good? Okay, excellent. So today we're going to this is a little bit off the course. This is some supplemental information, but I really want to show you guys kind of a bird's eye view of what we've been working on up to this point. This video is for my students that are learning the basic form, the basic core form. And so this will explain kind of how we move laterally and the angles involved in that. There's going to be a diagram that you'll be able to watch as I'm giving the video. So just to kind of keep in mind, when we're doing our form, we have three angles that we're really working with. We have the baseline here, which is west and east. And then we have north. So we don't use south very much, but we're using west and east and north. We also used, as we just learned in the last couple classes, is that we have the northeast, over here. Because that's where we do our kick, that's where we do our double box, the temples, and that's where we do fair lady works, the shuttles, on that northeast. Okay, so we start out right here on this line. We start out with the hands coming up and down. So now we're heading east on our baseline. But now we're going to step north. So we step north into parting the wild horse's mane. I'm going to give it a little bit of room. I know I'm kind of cramped here for space, but you know, you work with what you got. So here we go. So now we're heading north this way. Now as I come forward, I've come off the baseline. See that? I'm here. I was on the baseline here, forward. I'm on the baseline, When I step, this foot is still on the baseline, but when I make that little T-step, now I'm off the baseline, and I'm in my stork is doing her thing. And then brush, knee, push, step. So I'm still moving north. Play the guitar. But now watch. From here, I step back. Now I'm back on the baseline. And then I repulse the monkey. Come forward. So now I'm back on the baseline, heading north. Make sense? Yes. So here, press, and push, heading north on the baseline. Now we're going to turn, and I'm going to head. Now I'm heading east on the baseline. Now I'm back north. 2 and 3. Now I'm going to head northeast. Keep the northeast. And now I'm going to head back west. Now we're going west. Then we come back. We punch. I'm still heading west on the baseline. Still heading west on the baseline. and I end up where I started, north, heading north. I'm on the baseline facing north, just where I started from. Okay, so those are the angles that we have to work with. Baseline, north, northeast. All right, I hope that helps. Take care. Bye.